Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to do a quick review on Beyondwords, where you have what? Frictionless text-to-speech publishing. Yes, because with Beyondwords you and your team can convert text into engaging audio, enhance your publishing workflow with their all-in-one audio, CMS and AI voices, or create a custom voice you can listen to a page. So book a meeting and you can sign up for free here if you want. So you can convert, like we said, text to audio. These are the customer base so far. These are voices that resonate. You can engage audiences with accurate text-to-speech conversation and natural sounding synthetic voices. They have a very exclusive AI voice library here with the latest text-to-speech voices from Amazon, Microsoft and Google, over 550 plus AI voices, over 140 plus language locales. Then they have voice cloning. You can use their SOTA voice cloning technology to create custom AI voices that will resonate with your target audience. You can use your own voice or work with a voice actor. Then you also have automatic SSML. So the text pre-processor automatically normalizes and converts input text into its phonetic representation, ensuring accurate and customizable pronunciation at scale. You can learn more about the voices by clicking here. It's an all-in-one audio CMS. So Beyondwords make it easy for you and your team to optimize, manage and maximize your audio strategy. It can help with production, distribution, that is produce audio content at scale using API, RSS feed importer, WordPress, Ghost or Contentful plugin, or use the text-to-speech editor to create audio manually. Helps to distribute, analyze and monetize. Yes, and for free. So you can also expand your reach because spoken word audio supports publishing goals. You can use it to expand your reach, boost engagement and drive revenue without the effort or expense of traditional spoken word audio production. So what are you waiting for? Start engaging with audio today. To learn more about this text-to-speech platform and audio publishing, you can visit the documents and guides, API references, blog or email them here.